To update school fees, click School Fees tab. Schools are required to encode the tuition, other, and miscellaneous fees per grade level for the system to compute the amount of education service contracting grant due to the ESC grantee. Input the school's tuition fee under the tuition fee column. To input other fees, click the button beside the Other Fees input box. When a dialog box appears, click Add. Encode the type of other fee in the description box. Input the amount of fee. If there are additional types of other fees, click the Add button and input the type of other fees and the amount of fee. After encoding all other fees, click Save. To input miscellaneous fees, click the button beside the Miscellaneous Fees input box. When a dialog box appears, click Add. Encode the type of miscellaneous fee in the description box. Input the amount of fee. If there are additional types of miscellaneous fees, click the Add button and input the type of miscellaneous fee and the amount of fee. After encoding all miscellaneous fees, click Save. The system will automatically compute the total amount of fees. Click Update, and the system will ask you to review the encoded fee amounts. Click Save to proceed with the encoded fee amounts. A pop-up message will appear to inform you that the encoded data shall be considered final. Click Submit to save the changes or click Cancel. Repeat the same process when encoding the tuition, other, and miscellaneous fees of other grade levels. You may also print the encoded tuition, other, and miscellaneous fees. To print the fees, click the Print button. The system will generate a PDF file of the schedule of tuition, other, and miscellaneous fees. Updating of school fees will be disabled once the school has created a billing statement. If the school deletes all existing billing statements, updating of school fees will be enabled.